Located in the heart of Kalangut in Gauravado is this local Goan restaurant, a hidden gem where you can get scrumptious seafood and thalis. A stone's throw away behind Decathlon, around 50 meters away, few know a place like this exists in Kalangut.
Hey foodies, welcome to our channel. So the car is parked right here and we are visiting a lovely restaurant called Sai Prasad. A little restaurant that's got a huge reputation that is tucked away in the peaceful parts of Kalangut. Kalangut and peaceful just doesn't sound right, isn't it guys? Look at this guys, that's the mini entrance and as you enter, that's it. That's the place here and it's a small place. And look who we have here. We have Mama.
Hi.
And we have Adrian. And here is the always busy Madin. Madin, you're on camera. Right guys, so we have the menu here. Let's quickly go through the menu. So if you have a look, right at the start, they have shown us rice plate and veg rice plate. So that's the kind of, staple food here. And if you flip over, obviously we are in Goa guys, so this section is mandatory, so you can pause the video and have a look at the rates, but we are interested in this section today. So this is the fish, the seasonal fish that you get here, and what else, this fish preparation, salad, veg soup, non-veg soup. Okay, so they even have some Chinese items and these are the Indian gravies, but we are specifically interested in the thali. So it's a long menu. Just pause the video and have a look guys. Okay, where is the thali section? Oh wow, they even have biryani and then noodles, eggs and chicken tandoori, papad, lots of stuff guys. I wasn't expecting the menu to be this big. Did I miss out on anything? Because I can't see the thali here. Where is the thali? Oh sorry, thali was right here. So we are going to go for the kingfish thali, chonak thali, prawns thali. So Adrian and her mom are going to go for the chonak thali. You all are going for the chonak thali. And Madin is going for the prawns thali. As always, Madin very busy. And I am going to go for the kingfish thali. Guys, have a look at these two drinks. So this is the green apple mojito feni. And along with this, we have another bottle. Adrian, could you please pass that? Yeah, this one. It's almost over. This is the, which one is this?
Cranberry lime.
Cranberry lime feni. So there we have Madin who is tasting the green apple mojito. Madin, what's your review on this?
It's something different from all the drinks I've had.
Yeah, and it's feni, so it's very refreshing. It's cold,
Yeah.
right? And even Adrian has copied her godmother. Both of them are having the same drink. And I have here Mama, who's camera shy. Mama, how's the taste of this drink? Don't be shy. Yes?
It's nice.
Only nice? Okay, thank you. Look what we have here. I have the kingfish. And Madin has got the prawns. And here we have a friend who's come here with the thali. Right guys, so check this out. I have my thali here with me. And look at everything. There is the sol curry. This right here is the kingfish curry. This is cauliflower. And this is some curry with a coconut base. And we have papad here and we have chapati. So let me taste the food for you guys. So I have already put the curry in here. Let me mix this well. And where's my fish? Okay, my fish is right here. So I have my kingfish right here. He's given me 2 pieces. That's good. He's been generous with me. So now let's remove a piece of the kingfish. It is nice, hot and fresh guys. Let's taste this with the rice. So let's mix this well. Curry is a bit on the spicy side, but look at the fish guys. As usual, fish has to be fresh in Goa. As soon as I took a bite of this, I could taste all the freshness of the fish, cooked really well, very good coating of the rawa. It's crispy on the outside, soft and flaky inside. This is heaven, guys. If you are in Goa and if you're not having fish thali like this, you're definitely missing out. Fantastic. Now let's taste this. What is this here? This is the cauliflower vegetable. So if you can see, these are bits and pieces of the cauliflower. Let's try this. Nice cauliflower bhaji, a bit spicy again, but very different sort of masala. And let's taste the fish here. So I've been informed by the gentleman here, this is the kingfish. Let's break this up and check this. So I can get a lot of fat in my hand. So guys, look at this meat here and look at the fat here. The fat and the skin all mixed up with the curry. And let's try this. Again guys, very delicious, very good flavor. And what do we have here? We have the salad here. A regular salad with cabbage, onion and carrot. Very fresh guys. Vegetables are freshly cut. I could feel the crunch. And what's this? This is the pickle. So this looks like a mixed pickle of lemon and carrot. Amazing pickle guys. And papad here. Papad looks like a masala kind of a papad. So guys, this was my review of the thali. So guys, through this channel we want to take you through all the small places here in Goa which are highly underrated, because you know we all know the big names, but then very few people know these small names. And guys, just check this out. Look at our table. We are enjoying a thali and look at how many people have come behind us. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. We are not done yet. We will be visiting many more locations in Goa. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.
माझ्या पोटाचा बोलणे आता वचन न्हिदपाचें.